Good morning. It's day 4, Vlogtober. And y'all, why do my dogs torture me? Why did she literally start drinking water the second I started recording? Here's day 4. Now, I know it was in the coop, but I do actually have 2 Jadens. Y'all want to see it? Y'all want to see the first Jaden? You already met the second Jaden. Y'all want to see the first Jaden? You want to come? Y'all want to meet? Y'all want to meet my other Jaden? That's the other Jaden.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is my oldest son, Jaden. And then you guys have already met Jaden. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready for my day. Make some coffee. Go out and make some money. We got a little shopping to do because Jaden needs some winter clothes. And it's getting cool here. And I have to get ready for my pack. You guys pack my luggage live tonight, and then I also have to do a couple more t-shirts. So yeah, I got things to do today. And we made waffles. So let's get to it. Video done. Y'all getting a surprise video today. Brandon got a napkin. And now I'm gonna go. Where you going? I don't know where he's going. I am gonna export this, upload it to YouTube. I think that's the platform we use. And then I am going to go Instacart. So come on. All right, so I'm in Food Line, about to start doing Instacart. So I'll try to get a little video of what I'm doing, but it's gonna be hard because I have to use my phone to scan stuff. But here we go. Okay, I wasn't able to record, but I did. I was able to get the order done, so we are going to drop it off now.
I'm sorry. Hi. I would like to apologize for earlier. I would. Basically, I had literally just woken up from a nap. So if you ever want to know what I look like when I just wake up, that is literally it, what you saw. So
yes.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to day 4. I'm Brandon.
And Brandon, where are you from?
Originally Brattleboro, North Carolina.
It's Brandon from Parker's on the go.
Oh, yes.
But anyway, yeah. So that's kind of what happened with that. We're gonna go drop off this order, see if we can't pick up another one, and then I think we may just Instacart until I don't know 12, 1. Then we'll go find Jay some clothes.
Sure, why not?
Okay, I don't know. You know, we never have a plan. We just do it.
Leave in the comments below how long it takes you to wake up. Like, how long does it take you to get your
bearings together?
Your bearings together, because I literally, she said I'm done, and I took that at
Pause. pause real quick. I want to show y'all something. This billboard over here, I know you can't see it. It's a State Farm billboard. That's my old boss on it.
Is he on that?
No, not him. Her. Oh, you can't see it. I'm sorry. From the parking lot, I was going to show y'all. That's the one who, the last actual agent I worked for before I actually got my own agency. You know what I'm talking about.
I know who you're talking about. I'm just trying to figure out why it's coming up.
No, because I saw the billboard and I just figured I would show it, but you pulled out and then the tree covered her face.
Sorry, I've been accused of bullying, so I'm not gonna.
That's not accusing you of bullying. I was just showing.
No, I've been accused of bullying by you and other people, so I'm not gonna say anything that would be misconstrued as bullying.
About me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, but like I was saying, put in the comments below how long it takes for you to get your bearings together after you wake up from a nap or from sleep. Oh, I was explaining before I was interrupted. That was rude.
It wasn't rude. I was trying.
She's gonna bully me after this. So basically, she was done uploading the video. She said I'm done, so I immediately woke up from the nap, went outside and got in the car. Sat in the car for 5 minutes and realized, oh, maybe it wasn't time to go. So then I went back in and went back to sleep for another 5 minutes. Now we're here.
And just so you know, I didn't say I was done. That's how you know somebody was asleep. I said I was done editing the video. All I have to do is upload it, and then we can go.
Yeah, I admit, like, all I heard is I'm done. That's all I heard, and for some reason in my mind, you saying I'm done was the key word for me to get up and go to the car because we were ready to go.
Okay.
So that was on me.
Yeah.
But
all right. Well, that was nice of you to admit that was on you.
So please provide comments.
Okay. Well, we'll let you know what we do next. Okay, bye. So we are back home. Did some Instacart runs. Did 3 of those. Went and picked out clothes for Brandon. I don't know. Went and picked out clothes for Jaden. And got him some new clothes because it's getting a little cooler outside. But of course, after we brought the clothes, we checked the weather, and it's supposed to be 80 degrees next week. But it's fine. He's a kid. He's growing. He needs clothes. So right now I'm just doing a little bit of work. And then I may run back out for an hour, Instacart again. But I really need to get ready for this live tonight. And Nelly better show up. You were the one that did this. You better show up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So talk to you guys in a bit. Say hello. And you're going on now. What about accessories? Okay, so I have like 3 pair of earrings that I take, and has the weight limit. We're driving, so I don't have a weight limit. I'm doing this for me because I don't know how to pack.
This is going to help us in the future.
Yes. And yay, y'all are saying hello. Awesome. So yeah, this is actually an easy pour because we're able to drive it. So yeah, I don't have to worry about weight limits, but this is actually helping me. And God knows, Nelly done started something because y'all might have to help me pack every cruise. Or Marika is going to teach me how to dress apparently. Make sure Brandon at least has a top that matches one of yours. So you gotta have for formal night. Okay. I try.
This ain't about Brandon here. This ain't about Brandon.
I actually had a really good time doing that, and maybe we could do it again. I mean, you did help me. So I'm gonna go in here and cook some dinner. And excuse me, ma'am. Is there a problem? Sir, did you say something? Yep, that was you. I thought so. What about you? You got something to say? It was just him. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cook something for dinner. It's late. And then I will see you guys soon. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I know I have to like make some. I have to make a couple more t-shirts, and I would show y'all the room, but it's a mess. All right, guys. So if I don't end it here, and I do come back, great. But if I don't, good night. See you tomorrow for our last day before the cruise, and before this guy lights me up. He is not happy. I think he wants to go outside. You want to go outside? You want to go outside? You want to go outside? Yeah, I asked 3 times. He said yes twice. So, all right, guys.